Aloha my kako ukulele friends, and thank you for coming back to my channel. Welcome to 2020, brand new year, brand new decade, and I really appreciate you guys coming along with me for the ride. This is the first video of the year, first video of the decade. It's probably been a month since we've been together doing these videos. For those of you who are here for the first time, we tackle a book called the Hemele Aloha book. This is an excellent source, although it's not a perfect book. Even though it has some of the chords that you need for the song, it doesn't have any proper notation for you to know how the vocal melody goes or how the song goes in general. So that's why I'm here, is to kind of guide you along on these YouTube videos to get you exposed to Hawaii music and get you playing. The whole thing is to get you to pick up your ukulele and get you strumming and get you going with some songs. And I noticed on YouTube there's been a lack of sharing of Hawaii music, so I thought it'd be a perfect niche to fill. Our first video back, I thought it'd be great to tackle a favorite song of mine, Kamakani Kaili Aloha, the song that's credited to Matthew Kane, an enchanting story that talks about a man from Kipahulu whose wife leaves him, and the song talks about his quest to get her back. And eventually she does, spoiler alert. But you can read a little bit more about more of the kauna of the song down here in the Hemele Aloha book. You can purchase this book. I did include a few links down below in the description on where you can pick up these books. A few of my friends sell them online. I know my friend at mekealoha.com sells these books, and locally, if you are in the Bay Area, there are a few places like Aloha Warehouse in Japantown and also Takahashi Market in San Mateo that do sell these books locally. And if you're having problems finding it, go ahead and give me a private message, and we can go ahead and find a way to get you these books, okay? And I do plan to have another contest in the future to give away these books. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see what 2020 brings us. And let's just go ahead and dive into the song. One of my favorites. Oh, an iconic, probably the most iconic, memorable version of this song comes from this gentleman right here, the legendary Gabi Pahinui. And this is the song's actually on. This is probably my favorite version of this song, Kamakani Kaili Aloha. And his is such an iconic version. You probably heard it on the movie The Descendants. And look at how beautiful vinyl. I'm getting sidetracked here, but look at how beautiful vinyl used to be. This incredible picture of the Pahinui clan on the inside. They just don't make. That's the problem I have with digital music today, is that you don't get this kind of experience, this listening experience. So if you can get the vinyl version of this, that's even that much better. Okay, so let's dive into this, and we're gonna keep it very basic. We're gonna go ahead with that simple strum that we've been doing the last few lessons, which is just an up and down. Okay, very simple. And you can kind of fool around with the rhythm by giving a little bit emphasis on this 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 2 and the 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The chords are gonna be C, C7, F, D7, and G7. Very simple. And in the Hemele Aloha book, the chord chart shows this D7, where you bar the 2nd fret and put your ring finger on the last string there, on the 3rd fret. But I like to do those of you who are been following me, I like to do the Hawaiian D7, which is also an F sharp diminished. Okay, so there's that. I'm using some new gear for this video, so let me know how you like the audio. The audio should be a lot better. The video should be a lot better as well. So let me know. Write a comment in the comment field and let me know what you think of the new setup. Okay, brand new setup for 2020. Those of you who have been following along, you guys know about the okina and the kahako. Okina is basically just a glottal stop right before a vowel. That once when you see that, just place a little bit more emphasis on that vowel. And there's also a kahako, which is like a line over the vowel, or a macron, which basically you just have to elongate that vowel sound. So let's go. E aloha a e ana no au. E aloha a e ana no au. I ka makani kaulana o ka aina. I ka makani kaulana o ka aina. A'u e ho'oheno nei. Ka makani ka ili aloha. Here we go. He aloha e ana no au. I ka makani kaulana o ka aina. A'u e ho'oheno nei. Ka makani ka ili aloha. All right, let's go to the next section, which is the hui. And the hui goes ku'upua ku'ulei ku'umili mili e. Ku'ulei kauika veikiu. Ku'ulei kauika veikiu. Ahe mili mili oe, ahe hiva hiva na'u. Ahe lei mau no ku'u kino. Okay, let's try that. The hui. Here we go. Ku'upua ku'ulei ku'umili mili e. Ku'ulei kauika veikiu. Ahe mili mili oe, ahe hiva hiva na'u. Ahe lei mahu no ku'u kino. Okay, let's go ahead and tackle the last verse. There's actually only 2 verses in this song. And the last verse is I aloha ia no ia home. Okay? I aloha ia no ia home. And you notice the different ias. There's 2 ias in this song. One has an okina, ia, and one doesn't have an okina, ia. Okay? So you notice the difference between those 2. The next line is ia home lua kaha a ka malihini. Ia home lua kaha a ka malihini. Okay? A'u I noho ai a kupa. Okay? A'u I noho ai a kupa. Ka makani ka ili aloha. Let's try this last verse. Ia aloha ia no ia home. Ia home lua kaha a ka malihini. A'u I noho ai a kupa. Ka makani ka ili aloha. Okay, and you notice there's a C7 over that aloha at the end. That's because we're going to go back into the hui. And I don't know if you noticed, but I threw a little G7 in there just for a little flavor. And it's okay to do that. You know, you can throw some G7s in there, here and there throughout the verse. You know, don't be bound by the book, no pun intended. And you know, feel free to have fun in the spirit of Hawaii music. Just go ahead and try to play. If you hear something that you think should be in there, go ahead and throw it in there, you know. As long as you stay true to the song and don't do anything too funky or too crazy. People play with arrangements of Hawaii music all the time. I do it myself. You want to stay true to the author's intent. All right, let's try that going into let's try the hui one more time since we're going back into the hui. Ku'upua ku'ulei ku'umili mili e. Ku'ulei kauika veikiu. Ahe mili mili oe, ahe hiva hiva na'u. Ahe lei mahu no ku'u kino. Okay, we made it. So, we're going to do the verse, hui, second verse, hui, and then we're gonna end it. We're gonna play around with the ending. I don't know what I'm gonna do it for the ending, but just follow along with me when I get there. That means we're at the point of the song where we're gonna just try the whole thing through, no
Okay.
stopping. Follow along with me, and we're gonna add another song to your repertoire of Hawaiian music. Okay? He aloha e ana no au I ka makani kaulana o ka ʻāina A'u e ho'ohelo nei ka makani ka ʻili aloha Ku'upua ku'ulei ku'umili e ku'ulei Kaui ka wekiu Ahe mili oe Ahe hiwa na'u Ahe lei mahu no ku'ukino Ia aloha ia no ia home Ia home Lua ka kamalihingi A'u I noho Aia kupa Ka makani Ka ʻili aloha Ku'upua ku'ulei ku'umili e ku'ulei Kaui ka wekiu Ahe mili oe Ahe hiwa na'u Ahe lei mahu no ku'ukino Ahelei mahu no ku'ukino. All right. Thank you for sticking with me at the end and for that surprise F. I thought it added a little bit of drama to the song. Stylistic ending like that where you're not expecting it. And it definitely lets the listener know that you're ending the song, okay? Thank you so much for joining me once again. Welcome to 2020. And you want to know more information about me, you can go to www.stevenespanyola.com. Also, check out my Instagram at Steven Espanola. I'll see you guys next time. Ahuhio and malama pono.